Ladies and gentlemen, this is Károly Zsolnai Fehér and I am very excited to show you the new features of LuxRender version 1.5. LuxRender is a physically based renderer program that generates photorealistic images from scenes that are created in 3D modeler programs. Here you can see the geometry of a scene in a modeler program. After we have the geometry of objects, we assign material models to them. And here you can see what the photorealistic renderer program does with it. At LuxRender, we are privileged to have so many incredibly skilled artists using our system and creating stunning scenes, such as these ones. So, about the new release, there is just so much meat in this one. Very excited to tell you all about it. Ready? Let's get started. First off, LuxRender now uses a microkernel-based architecture that can compile and render super high resolution images like this in about 5 minutes. The resolution of this image is higher than 4K. It is so detailed that even if we zoom in this much, it still looks remarkably crisp. The new biased path tracer engine has a variety of new features. Examples include tiled rendering, radiance clamping to reduce firefly noise, visibility for indirect rays, and many others. In short, the new biased path engine allows fine control over the sampling process, giving you a more powerful and flexible algorithm. LuxRender now supports adaptive rendering, which means that it will automatically find and concentrate on noisy regions of the image. It won't waste your resources on regions of the image that are already done. The new Intel Embree-based Accelerator is between 20 to 50% faster than the previous technique for building acceleration structures. This helps the renderer to minimize the amount of time spent with intersecting rays of light against geometry. LuxRender now natively supports a new light source type called laser light. No more hacking with tubes and IES profiles. You can now create unique artistic effects by slicing scenes in half with the new arbitrary clipping plane feature. The new pointiness feature allows using surface curvature information in materials and textures. This powerful mechanic can be used to create worn wooden edges, moss in rock crevices, and many other sophisticated effects. With the new volume priority system, it is finally really easy to correctly and intuitively render overlapping volumes. Hair strand primitives are now supported. Look at these incredible examples. There's going to be lots of fun to be had with this one. Exporting meshes is now up to 16 times faster. We have a completely new LuxRender plugin for 3D Studio Max. It's still early in development, but it's definitely worth checking out. Let us know what you think about it. And the icing on the cake? We have a new volumetric emission system that supports fire and many other kinds of glowing volumes. Here in the video you see nothing less than a textured, heterogeneous volume with animated colors. Love the demo scene look on this one. And please note that this is not everything. In fact, not even close to what LuxRender 1.5 has to offer. I have put a forum post with all the changes and the new features in the description box. Check it out. We invite you to come and give it a try. We also have a scene repository where you can download a collection of really tasty scenes to get you started. And if you're stuck or if there's anything we can help you with, just jump on the forums and let us know. We'll be more than happy to have you as a member of our friendly community. Or if you have created something great with LuxRender, let us know so we can marvel at your work together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the forums. Cheers!